Hi guys, so here's a little video for the March of the Nutcracker. I'm going to break down each of the first three sections and then I'm going to do it with the recording. So the first section we have is the A section. And in the A section, we're going to do this 4 times with the padding. 1, 2, 3, 4, then we clap. Tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta. 2, 3, 4. So that's the A section. In the B section, we do the top and the bottom part only 2 times. So we're going to go clap, 2, 3, 4. Clap, 2, 3, 4. Snap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have the C section later on, which this one is 4 times. We start with padding, and you're going to want to alternate your pads for this. We got pat, tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-2, tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-3, tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-4, tee-tee-ta, tee-tee. 2, 3, 4. And in my head, I'm thinking ta, tee-tee, ta, tee-tee for the clap, stomp, stomp part. So here is all of March of the Nutcracker. Hey, have fun practicing.